In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror an image on Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flip any photo or graphic horizontally or vertically so it looks like a mirror reflection or an upside-down version. All with just a couple of clicks. First, open your design in Canva. If you already have a project, go ahead and open it. If you are starting fresh, choose a template or a custom size. Now bring your image in. You can upload a photo from your device or pick one from the media library if you are using Canva's built. In Images, drag the image onto the canvas and place it where you want it. If you are working with high-resolution photos, give it a second to load, so the preview is crisp. That way you'll see an accurate result when you flip it. Next, select the image. Click directly on it so you see the selection handles around the edges. That visual outline confirms the image is active, and it also triggers the editing toolbar to appear. On mobile, a single tap will do the same. If you have multiple layers, make sure you've selected the right one. You don't want to accidentally flip your entire layout. If the image is within a frame or grouped with other elements, double-check that only the image you intend to mirror is highlighted. Now find the Flip tool. Look at the toolbar at the top of the editor on desktop. On mobile, check the bottom toolbar. The icon looks like two arrows pointing in opposite directions. If your window is small and you don't see it right away, it may be tucked behind the Additional Options menu. But when the image is selected, Flip will be available. Finally, choose the direction you want. Select Flip Horizontal to mirror the image from left to right. Just like a reflection in a mirror. This is perfect for changing the direction a subject is facing or balancing a layout. Select Flip Vertical to turn it upside down, which is useful for reflections in water, abstract designs, or symmetrical compositions. If you are flipping anything that includes text within the image, remember that the letters will appear reversed. For readable text, keep it unflipped or use a separate text layer. If you change your mind, you can undo instantly using the undo button or a quick keyboard shortcut. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.